In a cluttered city apartment, a mid-career designer named Maya begins a year-long minimalist transformation, documenting every step from closet to kitchen. She moves beyond tidy surfaces to reimagine her work desk, digital files, and daily routines around sustainability and intention. Through decluttering, she adopts a capsule wardrobe, zero-waste meals, and a low-power electronics setup that saves energy and promotes calm. Viewers witness the psychological shift as fewer distractions, free creativity, deepen relationships, and reduce decision fatigue across home and work. The series blends practical decluttering steps with science-backed insights on sustainable living and the quiet power of less.